Um, opening up some Kinder Joy is the video didn't like play, so here's like this one complete. It's a dinosaur. Let's open the next one. Seems of it. It looks like an elephant, I think. I'm gonna cut to it when it's done. Here's the elephant. Has like water coming up from the top. That's pretty neat. I have 10 more to go. There's 12 of them I've opened up too. Please remember to like, subscribe. Trying to hit 50 subscribers by the end of the year. This one I'm gonna probably do on camera real quick. Seems pretty quick. This one seems neat. I'll just cut to it. Okay, here's like a little toy car that has like flames coming out of the back. That's pretty neat. Let's open up another one. Normal one. Last one was normal. The last two were normal eggs. The rest of them are Easter ones. We got another car, not this one, but we got another one. Has stickers. This is like a four-wheeler? No. This is a tractor. Why won't this go in? I'm just gonna cut to it. And we're back. I don't know what this is, but it's some sort of car. No, I know it drives. Oh, it's a pullback. And I killed that. Whoa. Stop driving. Yeah, another car. Let's open up another normal, and then we'll save the Easter ones for last. So far, different ones every time. This one has a rubber band. I think this one's gonna be. It's gonna be a Jeep. Let's cut to how it's gonna look. So here's a Jeep build. I think when you drive it's supposed to like explode. It should like that. Yeah, it comes apart like that and just comes back. I don't know, something neat. There's another car. First, the animals were winning, and we got another elephant. We'll just put that one to the side. I'll build it at the end. Got a duplicate there. And we got a giraffe, I think. Or a lion or something. Something that launches. I'll cut to it being built. Oh, so that's neat. So, focus camera. This one shows like you get it wet right there. You put like this little piece of paper. You dab it with you put in water. You dab this, and you can apparently paint a piece of paper. I don't have water with me. This is like a little bristles up there. I can't do that right now. Just put that under there. Go along the directions. And this is like normal egg of like not Easter. These are Easter style. And we got a person that's already built. Oh, he shoots something because it has like the 50 and the 10, and that's it. And those are like little standees. I think he's like a Western guy. I don't know. This one seems easy to build. So like the last goes in there. And it goes into the sand, I think. Come on. Sorry, this is just like an easy. build. So this loads up like that. Like so. And then I got the little guy right there. That did not work. Well, it was supposed to, and then shoot that. Well, we got a first person that does not want to stand. Here, let's use the gun. Put that like that. Target behind that. Let's open up the first Easter one. Got a rainbow. We got whatever these are. These could probably go like together. I don't know. And then oh, I see. So you do this, you do this, and then you tie this. Ooh, darn it! I'll cut to the string being tied. Here we go, and it's like supposed to hang like this, I guess. I don't know. Our first like outside thing. We got 3 eggs to go. Let's save this one for last. So let's do this. We got what is this? I don't know. I'll tell you when the next cut. So this one goes like this. It's like an Easter theme one, like with like a rain cloud there and like a dabbing like llama or something, and this like apparently looks like it shoots. No. They might. Oh, it fell apart. This thing keeps falling apart. Well, here's like a weird thing I'll put this side. This is like the like another group. Oh, I got a couple more, like 2 minutes left of recording, so I'm gonna cut to the chase. Nothing else. This seems like an egg that's gonna be like in the air or something. Oh, it's supposed to hang on a branch. I can't do this one right now. It's like you put like a piece of paper in it, like right there, and you can just like use a marker and draw it in. So it'd be like this. The string would go through, and it would be tied together. I would cut to it and all that, but I don't got much time left. This next one has a lot of stickers, so this one I'm gonna cut. So apparently you put your stickers in, and then this supposedly like that, the stickers it came with, and then this just goes like so. It's another animal. Like, subscribe, hit the post notification. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.